friends. Sometimes, you know, I just feel like playing, and so I got out my pen. Actually, I'm going to use my Ohuhu pen. This is their fine line drawing pen. It's fade proof, smooth, it dries quick. And I did this little quick painting. I think it took me 7 minutes. I shared with you all. And I just felt like playing and doodling. So I'm going to go ahead and just draw a little bit with some pen and ink, which I think is always fun. Of course, the painting was just fine like it is. But I always have fun just playing. So I'm going to go in and I'm just going to actually follow around what I painted here. So I'm really not creating, I'm just looking at shapes, which for me is really relaxing in the evening. I love doing this. It's kind of a no thinker, and it's just fun for me. It's relaxing. So I'm just going around. I'm just following the lines of my painting. This was done, by the way, on some Paul Rubens hot press paper. But look at how fun this is. Join some of the painted areas together. You could add in lines, go in on some of them and draw some little circles in the middle. Just get creative. There's no rules here, just play. You could even use different colored pens. I'm sticking with this black pen because I'm kind of on a roll here, but if you ever feel like, man, I just don't know what to paint, try this little exercise and see what you think. And again, I'm just following the lines that I already have here. Then adding in some things, you can add in circles. You could outline the little leaves. And this would be really fun. This is the kind of stuff I like doing in the evening and even in my journal book. And then keeping all these ideas for later. And don't forget to sign your name. And there you go. Look at how cute that is. I think that would be such a beautiful little card. So I hope you give it a try. Happy painting.